Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best fast-charging robotic pool cleaner. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Dolphin Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus can tackle pools up to 50 feet long, making it a top option for those with larger pools. Thanks to its clever clean smart navigation system, this vacuum doesn't miss a spot when it scours your pool floor and walls, ensuring no surface remains uncleaned. Meanwhile, dual brush capabilities sweep dirt and debris up and in as the top load filter traps the gunk until you're ready to empty the canister. The best part? The whole cleaning process, including setup, which entails plugging in the robot and dropping it into the pool, should be done in 2 hours or less. Number 7 in my list is Hydrus Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Hydrus Roker Plus is an affordable robotic pool cleaner that couldn't be easier to operate. It's free of cords and battery operated, so running it is as simple as ensuring it's fully charged before tossing it in your pool. The robot's brushless dual motor sucks up leaves up to 4 inches long, along with sand, pebbles, and any other small to medium-sized debris that lands in your pool. The vacuum's stainless filter screen resists corrosion and is easy to clean once the job is done. Another nice perk, the robot will reverse within 5 seconds of touching a wall to ensure it doesn't miss a spot. Just keep in mind that the vacuum's 75-minute runtime makes it ideal for above-ground pools or smaller in-ground options. Once the Roker Plus is at less than 10% power, it will stop at the side of the wall and wait to be fished out. Number 6 in my list is Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. Simply put, the Polaris 9650 IQ Sport is cool. This smart pool cleaner's most notable feature, it can sync up to Alexa or the Polaris app, through which you can control the action from just about anywhere. Thanks to its 4-wheel drive design, dual blade brush, and vortex technology, this powerful cleaner can tackle all sorts of messes in pools up to 60 feet in length. Further, you don't have to worry about its 70-foot-long cable getting tangled, owing to the machine's low-torque watertight swivel. It even has a special rear stream to blast dirt and other debris off of stairs. Choose between 4 cleaning modes: quick clean, deep clean, waterline only, and custom. And when it's time to empty the cleaner's canister, the machine lets you know via an integrated indicator. Number 5 in my list is Polaris 8050 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. From the maker of our favorite upgrade model, the Polaris 8050 Sport is one powerful, agile robotic cleaner. Designed with patented technology, this hefty machine sucks up gunk efficiently and doesn't let go. Because it boasts a large 4-liter waste canister that can hold larger debris, such as leaves, this cleaner is especially ideal for people who live in wooded areas with dense amounts of foliage. One of our favorite aspects of this model is that as it goes about its work, you can peek inside, literally, to see how much debris it's collected. A transparent lid makes that possible and gives you a good idea of when it's time to empty the canister. The filter doesn't require you to touch what's inside before dumping out debris and spraying it clean, which is another big plus. Number 4 in my list is Dolphin 2024 model, Explorer E20 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Highly rated for its efficiency, programmability, and ease of use, the Dolphin Explorer E20 is an obvious top pick. For starters, it couldn't be simpler to set up and start. All you have to do is plug it in, drop it in your pool, and let it get to work. Note that there are no extra hoses or booster pumps needed. As the cleaner moves back and forth across your pool's floor and walls, it will automatically suck up any debris it finds in its tracks. What's more, it works quickly. The device can get most jobs done in 2 hours or less, so you can pop it in the pool on the morning of a pool party and present your guests with sparkling clear water just a few hours later. Once it's finished with a particularly debris-clogged route, simply remove the top load filter and clean it out. It's quick and easy to do. And if you want to schedule cleans in advance or even at regular, pre-programmed intervals, the E20 also gives you that option. Number 3 in my list is Polaris VRX IQ Plus Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris VRX IQ Plus differs from the other robotic pool cleaners we've tested by virtue of the 70-foot insulated power cord that connects it to its out-of-the-water control panel. Wrangling the cord can be a chore, and it's not the least bit attractive whether the robot is in use or not, but this bot cleaned our pool better than anything we've tested to date. If you're looking for the most effective robotic pool cleaner, you have a place to stash it and its bulky caddy when it's not in use, and you don't mind wrestling with its power cord each time you set it to cleaning. And again, when it's done its job, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is hard to beat. If those chores are a turn-off, pick one of our battery-powered recommendations instead. Number 2 in my list is Aiper Seagull Southeast Wireless Robot Pool Cleaner. If your pool is on the small side, Aiper's entry-level pool bot should have no trouble cleaning debris from it. The 8-pound device is easy to maneuver, zooming around the pool for about 90 minutes before its battery dies out. It lacks much in the way of features beyond its on/off switch, but it's a capable and incredibly low-cost choice if all you need is occasional help scooping up leaves that you'd otherwise have to collect by hand. Aiper's entry-level pool bot is best for people with smaller swimming pools, up to about 850 square feet. If you're working with a tight budget, you could try deploying one in a larger pool, but be aware that its battery will need multiple charging cycles to get the entire job done. Number 1 in my list is Wybot S2 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Boasting the ability to clean swimming pools measuring up to 3,230 square feet and equipped with a beefy 7,800 mAh battery, the Wybot S2 can scrub nearly any pool in just a few hours. Don't let its idiosyncratic navigation fool you. It might look like it's wandering around with no clear purpose, but it will leave no area of your pool's floor, walls, and waterline untouched. And its ability to suck up debris is as good as its ability to scrub. Thanks to a large basket with 2 filters, the second of which is great for capturing fine-grained grit. If you've been maintaining a large swimming pool the old-fashioned way, you'll love the labor savings the Wybot S2 will deliver. Its large battery will ensure the pool is always clean and ready for use. Be prepared to endure some quirks in its app. It seems it could have used a wee bit more polishing before it was released, but that software should be relatively easy to update. This robotic pool cleaner is outstanding in every other regard. If price is no object, however, the Polaris Freedom Plus is even better. That said, it's also nearly twice as expensive. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.